Welcome back, banana economists. Today, we face the storm called recession. A recession means our banana economy is shrinking. Less trade, less fun, more worry. When GDP drops for 2 quarters straight, that's the official red flag. Unemployment rises, factories slow down, and bananas pile up unsold. It's like the economy's engine suddenly loses power. Everything slows. Money that used to flow in circles now moves slower, like syrup instead of juice. Gorillas stop spending. They hold on to every banana dollar they have. Economies move in seasons. After every sunny growth comes a chilly slowdown. A recession is like a small crack in the economy's wall, fixable before collapse. If we prepare early, we can walk through the storm instead of getting blown away. Some recessions start from inside, others are pushed by global winds. When bubbles pop, everything that was inflated disappears overnight. If gorillas earn less, they buy fewer bananas, and that hurts sellers too. Too much debt makes even small shocks dangerous. When banks stop lending, business life freezes. Sometimes raising rates to cool inflation also cools the whole economy. When supply piles up and demand vanishes, warehouses become graveyards. Energy costs explode, and suddenly production stops being profitable. A war or disaster can break the banana chain that connects the world. If one country falls, others can stumble right after. Trade barriers make it harder for bananas to travel and for money to move. A recession is rarely caused by one thing. It's a team effort of bad luck and bad timing. Sometimes fear itself becomes the biggest virus. When the balance is fragile, one wrong move sends everything crashing down. And, like dominoes, one fall pulls down another and another. Recession doesn't hit everyone equally. Families feel it first. Jobs vanish, leaving hardworking gorillas empty-handed. Even those who stay employed earn less for more work. Households tighten their belts, spending only on the essentials. Some lose their homes, turning crisis into heartbreak. Education, dreams, and hope all shrink when money does. Recession shakes confidence, even in those who still have enough. National production drops, showing just how deep the winter has become. Governments must help with aid to keep gorillas afloat, but that help comes at a cost. Debt grows fast. Weak businesses collapse first while strong ones endure. Exports fall, ships leave half empty. Foreign investors take their bananas elsewhere. When the world's biggest economy falls, it pulls others down with it. Even resource prices crash as demand disappears. Some nations try to isolate, but no economy is truly alone. The recession cloud covers the planet, a shared challenge for all. Those with wealth survive easily. The poor suffer most. Inequality grows like vines choking the system. Yet recessions also clear away waste, making room for new growth. Businesses trim fat, focus, and become smarter. Investors find golden chances hidden in the crisis. Recession is not the end, it's a test of wisdom. Let's learn how to prepare and protect ourselves. The signs are always there, if you know where to look. We study numbers to predict the future. When the yield curve inverts, danger lurks ahead. Confidence drops, and spending follows. No new construction? That's a bad sign. Orders dry up, factories go silent, jobs disappear faster than expected. Markets fall, fear rises, but opportunity hides within. Save while times are good, it's your best shield. Pay off debt. Freedom begins there. Keep learning, keep adapting. Skills are the new gold. Central banks must balance between too hot and too cold. Regulation keeps banks from taking banana-sized risks. Government spending can restart the engine of growth. Lowering interest rates makes borrowing and investing easier. Injecting money is like giving the economy a banana smoothie of energy. Smart investors buy when others panic, and patient workers train while waiting for sunshine to return. Recovery takes time, but it always comes. Hope grows quietly, one small sign at a time. Strong gorillas stay calm, stay ready, and stay smart. Simplicity and thrift become superpowers. Remember, nothing is free and nothing is forever. Build your shelter in good times, not during the storm. Wait for your moment. Don't rush in the cold. Even in winter, new growth begins underground. Upgrade your tools, your mind, your plans. Cooperation makes recovery faster and stronger. Flexible minds and adaptable policies shape the future. With lessons learned, we can face the next storm with confidence. The sun always rises after the longest night. That's the beauty of cycles.